So we are doing the fourth question of exercise 11.2. It is to draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. Now to do this question, it is very important for you to draw the rough figure first. So let us draw a circle first of all. O is the center of the circle and I need to draw two tangents from an external point, let's say T, such that the angle between the two tangents is how much? It is equal to 60 degrees. So this angle needs to be 60 degrees. So if TQ and TR are the two tangents, then just tell me how much is angle ORT? This will be 90 degree. How much is angle OQT? This angle will also be 90 degree, the angle between radius and tangent. This is 60 degrees. Therefore, by angle sum property, this angle is going to come out to be how much? 120 degrees. So what I'll do is, I'll construct an angle of 120 degrees between the two radii, and then at the end points R and Q, I will construct 90 degree angles. Wherever these two 90 degree angles will meet, that will be point T, and then TR and TQ will be the two tangents, the angle between which is going to be 60 degrees. So let us start the construction. So my first step will be to construct a circle of radius 5 centimeters. I open my compass to 5 centimeters and I construct a circle. I mark the center as O. Then I will take a point Q on the circle and I will join OQ. After joining OQ, at point O, I will construct an angle of 120 degrees. So this is the 120 degree angle constructed. QOR equal to 120 degrees. Now my next step will be to draw at Q and at R angles of 90 degree each. So let us do that. 60 degree, 120 degrees. I bisect 60 and 120 now to get an angle of 90 degrees. So I join the point of intersection of the two arcs to point Q and I mark this point as point P. So I have constructed OQP equal to 90 degrees. Exactly same way I'll construct an angle of 90 degrees at R point also. I've constructed 60 degree angle, then the 120 degree angle, and I'll bisect both of them to get my 90 degree angle. So this is where the two arcs are intersecting. I'll just join them and I'll construct angle ORT also equal to how much? 90 degrees. Now wherever these two lines are intersecting, angle ORT and angle OQP, wherever they're intersecting, that is point X. Then angle QXR will be equal to 60 degrees and XQ and XR will be the two required tangents. Let us measure it and check it once. So clearly this angle is coming out to be 60 degrees and that is what we wanted to have. We've got the two tangents XQ and XR are the two required tangents such that the angle between them is equal to 60 degrees. So my answer statement is very important. So I write the answer statement. Therefore XR and XQ are the two required tangents. So this completes the construction. Just let us revise the steps of construction. We drew a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Then we marked the center as point O. Then we took a point Q on the circle and joined O and Q to get the radius OQ. Then at O, I constructed an angle of 120 degrees such that QOR is equal to 120 degrees. At Q, I constructed an angle of 90 degrees such that OQP is equal to 90 degrees. After that, I constructed at R an angle of 90 degrees such that angle ORT is equal to 90 degrees. Wherever QP and QT intersected, that is point X. Then XQ and XR are the required tangents. And I showed that this angle is equal to 60 degrees. So I hope the construction is clear to you. Thank you so much.